All right, team, this is Future Killer Prince here, jumping in the middle of the stream to let you know that we had a little bit of a snafu on the raffle. We had a little bit of a mistake on the top prize winner. So to explain what happened and how we're going to fix this, I'll turn you over to Ref from 3D Printing Ills.
Hello. So come to find out, no one here really knows our real names. We only know our Discord handles. And the raffle required your real name. So Wally 3D actually won the grand prize. And the rules state that if you're a sponsor of the raffle, you cannot win. And it's an honest mistake because Wally, I believe you purchased the tickets before you offered the printed parts.
I'd heard about it, got my tickets, and then decided to volunteer to print the parts. So yeah.
It completely honest mistake. So the good thing is everyone that bought a ticket, all your names are still there. And so if you've already won that prize with that one ticket can't be used, but all the other tickets you bought are still valid. So we're gonna redraw this grand prize and we'll find out who's the new winner. But what are we gonna call this new group? I mean, we got Polar Ted for missing out on a prize. What do you guys think?
I guess it's new group. I guess now it's the Wally 3D Club.
Yeah, don't Wally it up.
Yeah, there we go.
So I got Voron Widow over there somewhere, and so whenever we're ready, she'll push the button, and we'll get a brand new grand prize winner. You guys ready?
Let's go.
Sounds good.
All right.
Hopefully, I don't win again.
That would be hilarious.
Franken B Gaming. All
Very
right,
nice.
We'll be reaching out to you.
Congratulations.
That is not me.
Congratulations.
Yeah, Franken B Gaming.
Offer you the 3D printed parts that he had.
Yes,
although
absolutely.
You might not be as happy.
Yeah, you might get some weird colors, but yeah.
But thank you guys for being understanding. Thank you, Wally, for being really cool about this misunderstanding. Yeah, no worries. And I hope all the winners enjoy their prizes.
Yeah, the important thing is the toys, right? That's what it's all for. So.
Absolutely. Congratulations, Franken B Gaming. We'll reach out to you on email. Thanks, guys.
Thank you. Thank you, Wally.